Hi friends, today we are going to make a fidget spinner at home. So let's start. First we need to take some cardboard squares. I'm going to take 3 cardboard squares and cut them. So I am cutting them and showing it to you. So here we are with the circles that we have cut out from the cardboard squares. So then we need to just take this like this and make it together like this and take some tape. We are going to take the tape like this and just put it on the 3 sides like this. We are going to tightly glue it out with the cello tape like this. So here is our spin wheel. Now it is sellotaped all the way. Now we are going to take a highlighter and color the whole spin wheel like this. I think this thing is not working. Anyways, let's take a paper and cut it like this so that we can glue it. So this is cutted like the spin wheel that we have made from the cardboard. So now we are going to color with a highlighter. So let's color it. So we have colored the spin wheel and now we have to glue it with a glue. So I am gluing it. So we have glued this thing. Now we have to let it dry for some time. After that we will continue with the spin wheel. So the fidget spinner is dried now. Now we are going to put 3 white circles over here. So we have to cut out 3 white circles like this and then stick it. We have stick the 3 paper circles on the fidget spinner. Now we just need to wait for some time until it dries. By the time the fidget spinner dries, we will make the center of it. So let's take two small circles of cardboard, and next we have to color it like this. Now we are done coloring both the circles. So now we have to take a strip of paper like this and roll it like this until it gets like a pipe of paper. Now we are done making this pipe-like structure of paper, and now we have to let everything to dry until we make the fidget spinner or join it. So the parts of the fidget spinner is dried now. Now we have to join them. So first let's check that if this thing can get in over here easily like this. Wait, see it again and just try to do this. Yep, it's working perfectly. So now we have to take a glue and this thing. We have to just glue this this pipe-like thing over, means on this thing, small circle, and wait until it dries. So now all the parts of the fidget spinner are ready and dry also. So now we have to join all of them like this. We first have to put this pipe-like paper over here from the back of here, and then put some glue over here. And then we have to stick it like this. And let it dry for half an hour so that we can get a very tight and steady fidget spinner. So now our fidget spinner is ready. So now let's look how does it work like. Wait 1 minute. See how it is working now. It is working all the best. Bye friends. See you in the next video.